Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another unboxing, and this is an item that I really wasn't very crazy about it, and it wasn't on my wish list, but Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Vicky and I love everything that has to do with luxury, handbags, fashion, and lifestyle. So this is going to be an unboxing of an item that it wasn't really on my wish list, but little by little kind of like won my heart. So if you want to find out what's the item that I got, keep on watching. So again, thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you are very curious to see what I got. And the item is right here in this box. It's not a big box, so as you can guess, it's a smaller handbag. And like I mentioned before, this is not an item that it was on my radar. But little by little I started looking at videos and Pinterest and different people showing this item, and it kind of piqued my interest, and now that I have it, I'm absolutely in love and I can't believe I have this bag. So it is right here and I'm going to show you right now. I'm just going to pull the ribbon, and I got I think this is the holiday ribbon, because it's a little bit thicker than the regular ribbon. This is the holiday car, and I got a gift bag for the holidays, but it doesn't fit the box because my SA was just kind enough to give me one and not put my item inside the box because these bags have been recalled. If you can see, there are blue inside and apparently they bleed. I don't think that it will be a big issue if you put a box or a dust bag, but if you put a bag straight into the bag, I think that could be, a problem. So the bags have been recalled, they have been pulled of all the stores, and new ones are coming, so hopefully they will have them ready for the holidays. So here's the bag, and the bag that I got, it is right here, and let me just take the stuff out, and it is right here in the dust bag, and it is sideways, so hopefully you can figure out what it is. So the bag that I got is the Palm Spring mini backpack. This is such a cute little bag. And when I said little, it might sound a little scary because you might think, well, this is very small to be a backpack. But you can wear it in so many different ways, and we're going to talk about that later. But this bag is absolutely beautiful. It comes, I already put a little decoration here. This is just a little chain from Organize My Bag. They have a lot of different accessories, but let me just take it off, sorry, so you can appreciate the bag much better. I'm going to put it right here. So here's the bag. I'm going to give you a quick tour. It comes with 4 D-rings, so you can attach the straps. The straps are right here. I always ask for a second or a small dust bag for my straps, and the back is quilted. So it has 3 vertical stitches or stitching, and is quilted. The bottom is also quilted, so that makes the bag really comfortable. This bag doesn't have any Vaquera leather. It comes with black pre-treated leather, and it has a top handle. Obviously it's just small, you can pass your hand through, so you can only kind of wear a top handle too if you want, but that's it. The zipper is an exposed zipper. There was a new, there was an old model where they had a little flap on top of the zipper, and it will get caught all the time, and it will wear and crack the canvas. So they updated the models, and now it doesn't have that lip, or I think that's what it's called. It's called kind of like a lip on top of the zipper. It has a small little pocket right here, and it's a little bit hard to open. And to be honest, I think this little pocket is just for decoration. You cannot fit anything other than maybe some coins or hair ties. So it's really hard to access, and it's really, really, really small. It also comes with a little loop, which I asked this on one of the Facebook groups, what is this for? And apparently on the website, which I didn't read, it says that is to put scarves or twillies. So that's what it is for. I don't think I would ever use it for that. Maybe I could put a hand sanitizer or something like that, but I feel it will just hang too low from the backpack. In the interior is black, and it comes with a very deep pocket where you can probably fit a card holder or a slim wallet. So here we have the textile card. And is there anything else? No. This bag was made in the US, and it was made in Texas in the 42nd week of 2020. So let me show you the straps. The straps come right here. Like I said, I always ask for a separate bag for my straps, and here is the sticker with the item number. I'm gonna just put that inside the box. Let me just move this to the side. Hopefully it won't fall. So here are the straps, and they come all separated. I have one attached to each other because I already wanted to show you how you can wear this crossbody. And this is the thing, this is not your typical straps. It has like snap buttons, and you can put it at different lengths. I basically put it on the shortest length because I'm 5'2", and even when you put it on the lowest, the backpack sits very, very, very low. Kind of like on your bum. So here's the strap, and you can choose to put this part where it has the double strap, and it has, let me just pull this out. Okay. So I think I'm doing this wrong. Let me see, hold on. Yes, I'm doing this wrong because this goes, okay, so here we go. I'm gonna do it again. So, and it doesn't matter which side you do it, as long as you have the little loop here to pass through, so this doesn't fold over. So let me just do this really quick, and let me see, I'm doing something wrong here. Wait a minute. This is where it gets a little complicated. There we go. So on this side, so now I'm gonna do it again. Just gonna pass this through, and then here I'm gonna pass this snap on the last loop, and you just have to push hard, and here's the little loop to make sure that this doesn't fold and it gets all wrinkly, or you know, just like a little ear. So you're just going to, I'm going to put it on the bottom. So this is how you do it. So right here. And you can do this many ways. You can do it this way. You can do it opposite, so you can wear it crossbody. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to put some mod shots of me wearing it a different way. So if you do it this way, you can wear it sort of crossbody or sort of like a bum bag. But this way is how you thread it so you can wear it as a backpack. So I'm going to do this one again. So this one right now is threaded to be worn as a crossbody. So I'm going to undo this. So here you go. So it's a little time consuming, but once you get the hang of it, it's not going to take too much time. So I'm going to put this right here and right here again. So here is as a backpack. And like I mentioned before, you can do it this way. You can also do both straps. And I think it looks really cute when you use both straps on the opposite D-ring. So like so. So it can be worn as crossbody, but as a kind of like a bum bag. Here I have the little chain from Organize My Bag. So I'm gonna put this on. So here it is. Isn't she pretty? And like I said, I'm not a backpack person. I remember a long time ago, probably a couple years ago, I got the Clapton backpack, and I think within 2 or 3 days I decided to take it back, because although that is a backpack that you can also wear crossbody and in different other ways, it wasn't just something that I fell in love with. But with this one, I think because it has the black leather, it just makes it so different and casual at the same time, but you can wear it crossbody and doesn't really look like a backpack, although it is, you know, a backpack. But I think that that's probably going to be the main way I'm going to wear this bag, because I'm not a backpack person. There is one way that you can wear the backpack in a way that it doesn't sit that low. And I'm just going to do it with one so you can see. So I'm going to remove this extender. I think that's, I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I call it. And instead of using this part, you can just thread this through here, and then let's see if I can do this. My essay did it. And then you just loop the little strap like so. So that way, if you compare this one that has the extender and is at the lowest setting right now, look at the difference. So it takes about, I would say, a couple inches, 1 to 2 inches. There you go. Hopefully you can see it. But this is just an amazing little cute bag. It currently retails for $1,990 plus tax here in California. And like I said, it has all black leather. Right here it has a little tab that says Louis Vuitton Paris. And I think I did mention that this bag was made in the US. This is actually my first bag made in the US in Texas. So usually I get the SD for San Dimas, which is very close to where I live, and I wish that I could go and visit, you know, the atelier, but like I said, this is, you know, such a beautiful and cute bag. The alignment is really good at the front, as you can see. It has been aligned really well. I don't think it's the best on the sides, but to be honest, it doesn't bother me. I didn't want to wait for another one to be ordered, and this one is in perfect condition. I couldn't find any flaws, so it doesn't bother me that it's not perfectly aligned on the sides, but yes, on the front, because I think that's where it's more visible. So let me show you some mod shots and then we'll wrap up this video. So those were the different ways that you can wear this backpack. As I mentioned, my favorite way is as a crossbody, because that's where, you know, I find myself wearing my bags the most. I like top handle and crossbody, and this fits, you know, that category perfectly. I don't see myself wearing it as a backpack unless I'm going to an amusement park or I'm going on vacation, which I think this is the perfect bag because you can be hands-free. But again, this is just an absolutely beautiful bag. I am crazy about it. It's, you know, as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to go grab my bag that I'm currently using, and I'm going to transfer everything into this bag because I can't wait to start using it. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, and if you have this bag and you have some pros and cons, please let me know. Leave them on the comment section below, and I can't wait to see you next time. Take care and bye-bye.